Dyadic power theory attempts to answer the question of why we feel powerful in the first place, and that answer lies in perceived authority. That we perceive ourselves as being authoritative sources on given topics depending on our past experiences with that topic and on our resources. And relatively speaking, we take into consideration the resources and experiences that we know of the partner, the conversational partner we're involved with. As a result of the degree to which we feel authority, we then feel powerful. This results in perceptions of our relational dyads as being equal power dyads or unequal power dyads. And whether we see those dyads as equal or unequal often relates to the ways in which we interact with each other. When we converse with each other, we often see people who perceive themselves as powerful attempt to control conversations. Makes sense. When people engage in conflict, we see that people who perceive themselves in unequal power relationships, we see them interacting with their conversation partners differently than they do with people who they perceive as being in equal power relationships. And why this matters? Well, it matters because of the outcome variable of relational satisfaction. That our perceptions of power influence how we talk with each other and how we engage in conflict with each other and how we make decisions. And the processes whereby we do those things, the communication involved then influences our satisfaction in that relationship. And that is what makes this a theory not just about power, but about relationships. It's about communication and power coming together to help us explain why some relationships fare better than others.